Welcome to our channel Cyber Datalink. This is lecture 1 of Adobe Photoshop, and at this lecture we will understand how to create a document, how to open an image, explore the user interface of Adobe Photoshop, how to save a file, how to close a document, and much more. So let's get started. This is the user interface of Adobe Photoshop, and I am using version 2020. Firstly, we understand what is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a raster-based image editing software. Raster images are the collection of small squares, which is also known as pixels. Now let's understand how to create a document. To create a document, we simply click on Create New button, or we can select File and choose New option, where it pop up the New Document dialog box. At this dialog box, there are several category tabs, where each category tab specify the different screen size presets. If we want to create some artwork, then we must know the actual screen size. For example, we want to create an artwork for our mobile phone, then simply select this mobile category tab and select the appropriate preset. Suppose we want to create an artwork for our Android mobile phone, so I simply select this preset and click on Create button to create the document. If we want to create an artwork for our website, then simply select the Web category tab and select the appropriate preset, where different presets specify the different screen size. If we just need to edit in an existing images, then we really no need to worry about what appropriate preset we need to select. We can also customize the preset. Suppose I select this preset, and on the right side panel we can see that we can also modify the selected preset. So let's edit the file name first. I enter the file name alpha. Then we modify the width and height of the preset. For example, set the width 1200 pixel and height 1080 pixel. We can also modify the units. We can select one of the following units. Let's select inches. Now we can set the width and height of the preset in inches. I would like to use pixels. We can specify the page orientation, either portrait or landscape. We notice here, when we change the page orientation, then width and height swap the values. The artboard greatly helps to manage the multiple designs within a single project. So simply check the box if it is not checked. Resolution. Here we can specify the pixel values per inch. We can ignore the resolution because it only matters when we need to print out the images. Color mode. The color mode is set to RGB color. There are 3 channels, red, green, blue, where 8-bit represents per channel. So, 3 channels can reproduce more than 16.7 million colors. If we change 8-bit to 16-bit or 32-bit, then it can reproduce more colors. We can change the background color. Just simply click on drop-down menu and select the appropriate option. We can select white background, black background, transparent, or we can also use custom colors. I would like to use white background, so I simply select this one. We will explore the advanced options in upcoming tutorial. If we want to save this preset, then simply click on it and now enter the preset name, custom preset, and now click on save preset button to save the preset. At last, we just need to click on create button to create the document. The document has been created successfully. Let's understand how to open an image in Adobe Photoshop. On the top corner, select File, then click on Open. We can select single or multiple images we want to open in Adobe Photoshop. I simply select this image and click on Open button to open the image. This is a document window where it displays the file on which we are currently working on. The visible part of an image is known as canvas, and the dark side area of the surrounding image is known as pasteboard. We can have multiple tabs on document window which greatly help to switch between the documents, where each tab specifies the file name dice and the file extension .png along with the current zoom level, which is 100% for now. Hold the Control key and minus key from the keyboard to zoom out the image. And to zoom in the image, hold the Control key and then press plus key from the keyboard. At the bottom left corner, it displays the current zoom level of an image. And if we click and hold on a status bar, we can view the information of an image, where it displays the width and height of an image, color information, and the resolution of an image, which is 72 pixels per inch. This is a tool panel where it contains the tools for editing the images and creating the artwork. If we click on double arrow, then we can expand the toolbar. The tool panel contains so many tools. Some similar tools are grouped together. We can access it by double-clicking on it. And rest of the tools we can access by double-click on three dots. Then click on Edit Toolbar, where it pop up the Customize Toolbar dialog box and display the list of rest of the tools. One more thing. To know about the tool, we can simply hover over the tool, where it displays the name of the tool and gives some basic idea how we can use it. This is an option bar, where it displays the options for the selected tool. Different tools display the different options. For example, if I select the Move tool, then option bar display the options for the Move tool. And if I select the Rectangle Marquee tool, then option bar display the options for the Rectangle Marquee tool. The menu bar display the File, Edit, Image, Layer, and other menus, where it provides numerous options. At the right side, we can see there are lots of panels, which are color, swatches, gradients, patterns, layers, and much more. But the most important layer is the layer panel, where we can add, delete, and work with the layers. We can also drag the layer panel and can place wherever we want. If we want to place at their default places, then we just simply drag the panel and drop it to their default places. Or we can select the window menu and select workspace and simply click on the set essentials. We can find the full list of panels inside the window menu. So these are the list of panels. Now let's understand how to close a document or an image. To close an image, go up to the File menu and choose Close. Or we can use shortcut key Ctrl W to close the image or document. There is one more way to close a file by just simply click on it. If we make changes, then we can see an asterisk mark after the file name, which represents that we did not save our work. Let's have an example. I select the brush tool and select any color. And let's select this size of the front area and paint it. We see here an asterisk mark after the file name, which represents that we did not save our work. To save our work, go up to the File menu, then choose Save, or we can use shortcut key Ctrl S to save our work. Save it on your computer, or we may save on cloud. File name is alpha and file extension would be .psd, which is the extension of Adobe Photoshop. If you guys find any problem to understand anything explained at this lecture, please let me know at the comment section so I can try to help you out. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys in another video.